So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Python for Data Science, week 4 assignment 4. So the first question is, which of the following are regression problems? Assume that appropriate data is given. So these are the option and the answer for our first question is A, C, D. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following are multi-class classification problem? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B and D. And now let's go to our question number 3. If a linear regression model achieves zero training error, can we say that all the data points lie on a straight line in the future space? Yes or no? So the answer of our third question is yes. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following machine learning technique would not be appropriate to solve the problem given in the problem statement? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is D, linear regression. And now let's go to our question number 5. After applying logistic regression, what is are the correct observation from the resultant confusion matrix? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is A and C. And now let's go to our question number 6. The logistic regression model built between the input and output variables is checked for its prediction accuracy of the test data. What is the accuracy range in percentile of the prediction made over test data? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B, 90 to 95. And now let's go to our question number 7. How are categorical variables pre-processed before model building? So these are the option and the answer for our seventh question is B, dummy variable. And now let's go to our question number 8. A regression model with the function y is equal to 80 plus 4.5x was built to understand the impact of temperature x on ice cream sales y. The temperature this month is 10 degrees more than the previous month. What is the predicted difference in ice cream sales? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is B, 45 units. And now let's go to our question number 9. X and y are two variables that have a strong linear relationship. Which of the following statements are incorrect? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is A and B. And now let's go to our question number 10. A multiple linear regression model is built on the global happiness index dataset GHI report.csv. What is the RMSE of the baseline model? So these are the option and the answer for our 10th question is C, 1.06. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.